How to fix Roblox two-step verification code not being sent. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that if you're facing the problem that Roblox app is not sending you the code for your two-step verification, what you can do. You have to come to the Roblox app, and here you have to hold and press this app, and it's going to give you these three options. Choose remove app. It's going to give you this pop-up. In this pop-up, choose delete app, and once you delete the app, you have to go back and then choose the app store. And here you have to search for Roblox in your app store by clicking the search bar, and here you have to type Roblox, and then you have to click search, and here you have to just download it again, and it's going to fix the problem for you. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.